Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing how to crochet the spring tulips. If you are new here, I'm sharing simple crochet tutorial every second week. Make sure to subscribe and enable notifications. And if you give these tulips a try, be sure to tag me. These are the materials we will be using. To make one tulip, we need 3 small petals and 3 big petals. We also need 1 leaf and willow yarn to make flower stamen. Let's begin with the small flower petals. First, create a slip knot. Then, crochet 13 chains. Now we are done with the chains. Find the second stitch from the hook and work 1 single crochet. Work 1 half double crochet in the following stitch. Then proceed to work 7 double crochets in each stitch. As you reach the end, there are only 3 stitches left. Work 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the last stitch, work 3 single crochets in the same stitch. Now let's move to the other side of the petal and repeat the same process. While working on stitches, remember to hide the tail. Cut off any extra tail. Now we have reached the last stitch. In round 2, begin with the slip stitch in the next stitch. We will use 20 cm wire for the small petals. In the same stitch, work a single crochet, but before that, add wire to maintain its shape and pull over the working loop. Proceed to work single crochet in each stitch until you have made 12 single crochets. On the 13th stitch, make 3 single crochets in the same stitch. After that, work 12 more single crochets until you reach the last stitch. we have reached the last stitch. Wrap the yarn around the wire. In the next stitch, make a slip stitch. In the back, make one chain. Cut the tail, leaving few inches of yarn, and don't forget to wrap the wire. Our small petals are ready. Crocheting large petals is kind of similar to small petals. The difference is we will chain 15 instead of 13. We already finished making slip knot, now let's make 15 chains. We are now done with the chains. Find the second stitch from the hook and work single crochet. Work 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. Then proceed to work 9 double crochet in each stitch. We are done with 9 double crochet. Now work 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the last stitch, crochet 3 single crochets in the same stitch. Let's move to the other side of the petals and repeat the same process. Don't forget to hide the tail while working on stitches. You can cut off unwanted tail. Now we have reached the last stitch. In round 2, begin with the slip stitch in the next stitch. We will use 25 cm wire for the big petal. In the same stitch, work a 1/2 double crochet. Before that, add wire to maintain its shape and pull through the working loop. Proceed to work 1/2 double crochet in each stitch until you have made 14 1/2 double crochets. On the 15th stitch, make 3 1/2 double crochets in the same stitch. After that, work 14 more 1/2 double crochets until you reach the last stitch. We finished 14 1/2 double crochet. Wrap the yarn around the wire. In the next stitch, make a slip stitch and in the back, make one chain, pull the working yarn and cut the tail, leaving a few inches of yarn, and wrap the wire. Our large petals are ready. crochet leaf for the tulip, we need 40 cm wire. Let's start with making a slip knot, then crochet 31 chains. You can now pause here to finish 31 chains. We are done with the chains. Find the second stitch from the hook and work single crochet. Don't forget to add wire to support our leaf. Work 2 more single crochet in next 2 stitches. We will have 3 single crochet in total. Work 3 half double crochet in the following stitches. Then proceed to work 18 double crochet in each stitches. Pause here to finish 18 double crochet. Work 3 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And in next 2 stitches, work 2 single crochet. In the last stitch, work 3 single crochet in the same stitch. Now let's move to the other side of the leaf and repeat the same process. We finished making 18 double crochet. Now we will make 3 half double crochet and 3 single crochet. We have finished working stitches. Wrap the yarn around the wire. Make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Then make 1 chain at the back. Cut the tail, leaving a few inches of yarn, and wrap the wire. We need only 1 leaf to make 1 tulip. I really hope you enjoy watching to this video. So please comment down what video should I make next.